Are you tired of searching for that attachment you know you saved for a meeting? Learn how to attach files directly to any Google Calendar event in under 2 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to click to add attachments from Google Drive or your computer. Follow these simple steps. Start by clicking on the event you want to add an attachment to. Then click the Edit Event button. It's the pencil icon. Now scroll down to the Description or Attachment section. Click Add Attachment. That's the paperclip icon. You can select a file from Google Drive or upload one from your device. Go ahead and click Browse to find your file. Once you've selected it, click Save to finish. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.